like them. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and today I have a Temu haul. And I'm hoping it's a little larger than last week's, which I'm pretty sure it is. Not sure, but I'm pretty sure. But I have all kinds more coming, so just bear with me. I'm trying to make them a little bit longer. Okay. What the heck? I'm trying here. So how's everybody? Had a good week? Getting kind of excited. About time for me to go see them grandbabies in a couple months. She graduates May 11th. Well, they double bagged me. Yeah. There ain't nothing else in that bag. They just double bagged it. It's kind of strange. It's kind of strange. Okay. What's going on here now? Camera's driving me crazy lately. Okay. I got 2 more sets of nails. And it's a different color than I have, so I'll try to get some of these out. Okay, and here's another set of nails, which are blue, and I like the blue ones. I don't know why. Huh. I had some good deals on there this morning. I don't know what that's about. Like stuff for a penny. And it said, well, you have 5 more things you can get. So I did it. Got quite a bit. Like, I don't know what was going on. Come on. Open sesame. Or not. If I open this up, it better be worth it. Oh, she's worth it. She's worth it. Look at this. Look how pretty. I don't know if you can see all the different colors. She's got blue and purple and green. It's cold to the touch. And I don't have my lighter handy. But isn't that pretty? I just love how they're formed. To me, it's just amazing. I'm happy with that. Maybe something I can sit around going, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Why is my... Is it me or is my camera going... That man. Like I got nothing better to do. I have no idea what this is either. Oh, it's an umbrella. It's an umbrella. And I know you're not supposed to open them in the house, but I can partially open it, right? I thought this would be nice at the ball field. Oh, I see what's going on here. No, I don't. I have no idea. But I have to go out later, and it's raining, so I'll figure it out. But I thought, look how small that is. That'd be really convenient at the ballpark. Because, you know, ball season starts next week. I can get it back in there. There, I got it. There, I got it. So that'll be convenient. That'll be convenient. Because it's the most wonderful time of the world. Oh, of the year. Sorry. I almost had it. You gotta give me some credit. I don't know what this is. Oh, I've seen these. Now these are, I can't remember what it's called, but they are man-made because you can't make them, you can't get them out of the ground that look like this. In other words, you get them out of the ground, they look like total crap. But if you make it in a lab, then they make those really cool things. And then we have this. I'm assuming these are earrings because they kind of look like earrings. Yeah, they're little hoops. Little tiny hoops. I had to take mine out last night. Kept catching them. I don't know why they put these in such tiny little bags because your average person can't open them. But that's what they look like. Here's my glasses. Maybe I can see it open them. You never know. Oh, those are pretty. Look. I'll have to get those later. I can't get them. I can't get them right now. Phew, it suddenly got hot in here. Oops, this drop button. Okay. This is, I don't know, it could be anything. Oh, yeah, I had to order another one of these. Hopefully I got all the names right this time. I'll have to double check it, but it's for my daughter-in-law. I'll have to go back and double check it. I can't see it well enough right now. But the last one, of course, you know, Oakland is Oaklyn. And either spell check changed it to Oakland or they did. So, but anyway, there's that. I got to double check it because it makes, this will be 3 times. What are you doing? Now it's going this way. See? It's acting all crazy. I don't know what's going on, buddy. See? It should not be doing that. I don't know what it's doing. Oh, no. And then I got this. Just doing it again. I think it just did. Driving me crazy. This is lip oil, but one of them's open. So it's everywhere. Let's assume it's this one. It's going this way and back and forth. And I don't know about this stuff. This ain't what I wanted, but yeah, that's not what I wanted, so let's see what this is. Oh, I got this because I want to experiment with my sister. She doesn't know this yet. Yeah, she doesn't know this yet. But I want to experiment with my sister. She used to like to torture me, so why can't I torture her? And basically, it's hair chalk. It's hair chalk. And basically, you just... Oh, my glasses. Back on. Place a dry towel around your neck to protect your clothing, or just use an old t-shirt. Dampen your hair a little to help the chalk attach to your hair. Apply the chalk stick to your choice by sweeping down and twisting through your hair. We don't need to read all the directions. We're not going to do it right now. Anyway, it's either just combs that have different color hair color in them. Yeah, and it's a temporary color, but I thought that would be good to do with. See the phone? That thing is still doing it. See, look at that. I am not touching anything. Just going woo. But anyway, I thought, I think it's possessed today, but I thought it would be fun to do this with my sister. Yeah. That's what I thought. So, what you gonna do? Tell me no? I told her the other day, I told her she can't beat me up. I said, so she can't kill me. Because, you know, her picture being on the end of that one from a couple weeks ago. And she said, that's not funny. I said, well, you could kill me, I guess. You'd have to poison me, and I don't really eat. So, and then I got this one. I got this for Skylar. Not Skylar. Lakeland. Is this coming from fast? And see, they got little suction cups for they'll suction to their little high chair. Let's see. And there's your little bib. And it has, you know, where it catches your food. And here's a little bowl, and it has suction cups. So you can just suction it down. And here's your little silverware. Isn't that cute? I think they could have chosen a prettier color of pink. But it's pink. Crazy. But yeah, where was this stuff when my kid was little? Where was it? Just where was it? Just where was it? Oh, I got one more thing. I gotta try to put these all in the bag so I don't lose anything. Well, so what do? I turn right around and flop it everywhere and lose it anyway. I can't get it. I'm a mess today. I haven't even taken my first walk, and he thinks I'm going to go to Athens. I got me a pair of orthopedic flip-flops, you know, for my walking, because I'm not giving up my flip-flops. So I thought I would try theirs. Actually, theirs look pretty darn good. It's got incline here. So, I'm going to try them on real fast. They actually look pretty good. They actually feel pretty good. Yeah, I got to the age where I gotta wear orthopedic flip-flops. I'm like, this is not funny. I got cataracts and I gotta get orthopedic flip-flops. So anyway, that's a Temu haul for this week. I know it's not as long as I had been doing. I've got a bunch coming. I don't know why they're coming in slower. But anyway, like, subscribe. I'll leave all the links below and the prices below. Do all the YouTube things. Come back, join us. You know the routine. Bye.